Are you feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of ISO management systems? Does the path to efficient processes and successful certification seem unclear? You're not alone. Many organizations struggle to find the best ways to align their processes with strategic objectives, leading to frustration and missed opportunities. But what if there was a way to streamline workflows, enhance efficiency, and achieve excellence in your ISO management system? Welcome to Wynleigh International's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're unlocking the secrets to navigating process-based excellence and showing you how to optimize your ISO management system for success. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. So, what exactly is a process-based approach? Unlike traditional methods that focus on individual departments or functions, a process-based approach views your organization as a collection of interconnected processes working together toward common strategic goals. Imagine your organization as an orchestra. Each department is an instrument, but without a conductor and a unified score, the result is chaos. The process-based approach is like that conductor, ensuring every part plays in harmony to create a beautiful symphony. In the context of ISO management systems, this means aligning all activities to optimize efficiency, enhance accountability, and drive continuous improvement. Embracing a process-based management system brings a multitude of benefits to your organization. First, through enhanced efficiency. By optimizing processes, you reduce waste and make better use of resources. Also, through better outcome control. A standardized process leads to consistent and predictable results. You'd also see increased agility. This is because an adaptable structure allows for quick modifications without overhauling the entire system. A streamlined system also helps curate improved accountability and transparency. Clear roles and responsibilities make it easier to monitor performance at all levels. These advantages not only streamline your operations, but also position your organization for sustainable growth and a much easier road to successfully obtaining ISO certification for your management system. When you're ready to embark on the journey toward process-based excellence, use some of these tips to get started. 1. Establish organizational context. Top management should establish the organization's context by creating a business process model that identifies key processes, along with associated risks and opportunities. It is essential to understand that a process model represents both key and supporting processes at a strategic level. Ideally, when identifying key processes, organizations should limit themselves to no more than 6, even in large multinational corporations, as this ensures clarity and focus. Additionally, it is crucial to differentiate between departments and processes. Departments are vertical structures within an organizational chart that bring together individuals with similar skills and competencies. In contrast, processes are activities that transform inputs into outputs and are best executed using the appropriate competencies wherever they are needed. A process flows horizontally across the vertical structures of a traditional organizational chart. Leaders need to outline the key processes, understand stakeholder needs, and set clear, smart objectives for each process. By defining the management system scope clearly, organizations can establish specific goals and prevent scope creep. By grasping this distinction, organizations can better align competencies with processes, ensuring that activities are carried out efficiently wherever they are required. This approach fosters a clearer understanding of work execution and aids in the identification of risks and opportunities. 2. Allocate process resources. Assign owners, participants, and tools to each process to establish a clear structure. Defining clear roles and responsibilities helps to promote accountability and identify necessary skills for ISO objectives. Assess resource usage to ensure efficiency and identify skill gaps that can be addressed through training. 3. Map your processes. The next step is to map current processes for a clear view of the workflow and identify areas for improvement. These are the processes identified by top management in their process model established in the context of the organisation. It is important that process maps represent the current status and don't include a future desired state. Visual tools like flowcharts and diagrams can make these maps accessible across the organisation. Create diagrams outlining process criteria, documentation, resources, and metrics to ensure alignment with ISO outcomes, legal requirements, and stakeholder expectations. 4. Optimise processes. To design better processes and help identify and eliminate inefficiencies, it's crucial to first assess the associated risks and opportunities. By determining intolerable risks and recognizing beneficial opportunities, we can plan preventive actions that guard against non-conformity. Once we have a clear understanding of these factors, we can develop specific goals and actionable plans. This will allow us to apply various improvement methodologies, such as Lean and Six Sigma, to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Creating easy and efficient workflows is essential for facilitating how individuals interact within various processes. It's important to define operations, implement controls, monitor progress, and measure outcomes. Documenting procedures should come after the processes are optimized. Including process diagrams in the procedure documents aligns well with ISO standards, as these visual aids enhance clarity and understanding. Additionally, ensuring that everyone is aware of their responsibilities and available resources will facilitate a smooth implementation and promote overall process optimization. 5. Implement change management. Effective change management and training are essential for smoothly transitioning to optimized processes. Start with a change management plan that addresses possible resistance and encourages support. Ensure risks and opportunities are anticipated to plan for unintended consequences. Clearly communicate the reasons for changes and keep engaging with stakeholders. This approach will help build commitment and support for successful processes. Watch our video Change Management in ISO Explained to better understand this step. 6. Monitor and measure. Once the new process starts, it's important to check how well it's working. Track this using real-time data and KPIs, conduct regular audits, and gather employee feedback to identify issues early. Implementing the process-based approach. It's crucial to make adjustments to optimize processes, implement corrective actions for issues, and plan for new improvements as they arise. Make sure the documentation is consistent with the implemented activities, changing one or the other, whichever is more appropriate to achieve the desired level of performance. Documenting decisions taken and results achieved during a change builds knowledge for the organization for future changes of a similar nature. Additionally, update KPIs and resources to align with evolving objectives and business needs. Remember, it's a cycle of planning, acting, checking, and improving. Regularly revisit each process to align with evolving objectives and foster a culture of ongoing improvement. Preparing for a certification audit requires clear processes, defined roles, and current records. You should perform regular internal audits to find and fix any issues, while reviewing performance data. It's important to train your employees on ISO requirements so that they're ready for the audit. What do we look for during ISO certification? During a certification audit, the auditor evaluates how well an organization's management system meets the requirements of its chosen ISO standards and how effectively its processes work together. A strong focus is placed on communication, which ensures coordinated efforts toward meeting organizational goals. There are a number of key aspects that are evaluated by a certification auditor during a system verification audit, with a primary focus on assessing the management controls in place to ensure that processes achieve the intended outcomes of the standard. 1. Process identification and mapping. Are processes clearly identified, mapped, documented, and communicated with specified inputs, outputs, and owners in place to facilitate effective management? 2. Process objectives, metrics, and communication of performance. Does each process have measurable objectives and metrics, and is performance data communicated effectively across relevant levels to monitor control efficacy? 3. Evidence of implementation and communication flow. Are the processes consistently implemented, and does communication flow as expected to maintain control and drive performance? 4. Risk-based thinking and communication of risks. Have the risks and their related preventive actions within each process been identified, evaluated, and communicated to ensure robust management control? 5. Process interactions and communication across interfaces. Are interactions between processes effectively managed, with clear communication of responsibilities to reinforce control across the organization? 6. Monitoring, measurement, and feedback loops. How are performance metrics and audit results monitored and communicated, and are they leveraged to drive improvements across departments, ensuring alignment with the intended outcomes? Achieving process-based excellence will be a transformative step for your organization. It will enhance efficiency, foster continual improvement, and pave the way for successful ISO certification. If you're not ready to go it alone on this journey, visit our industry directory to find an ISO expert. The directory is host to several organizations that offer support through ISO consulting and training. Find the link in the description or visit our website to find it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and share it with others who might find it valuable. Let's build a community of excellence, one process at a time.